Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Sentra car battery. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Take off the battery hold down and lift straight up using proper posture. Inspect terminals for corrosion and clean with a brush and baking soda mixture. Compare the new battery label, swap terminals making positive first, then secure the hold down and test starting the car gently. Wear gloves and eye protection and begin by disconnecting the negative terminal using a 10 mm wrench, then the positive terminal. Loosen and remove the battery hold down clamp and lift the battery straight up, avoiding tilting to prevent acid spills. Place the old battery on a sturdy surface for recycling and inspect the battery tray and cable ends. Clean any corrosion with a baking soda paste and wire brush before preparing the new battery for installation. Lower the new battery into the tray with terminals matching original orientation and ensure it sits flat. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten just enough to prevent movement without over-torquing. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, and apply a small protective spray to prevent corrosion. Start the engine and check dashboard lights and accessories to confirm proper operation. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.